Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm in the camper today. We are on holiday and not far from home, a few miles. I'm trying to make art in the camper, and that's not easy because I have not much with me, and well, it's a challenge and I like doing it. Well, I have some stuff with me, and I'm going to make the collages of Margarete Miller. I already made two collages, number 23 and 24, and now I'm trying to make number 25. I'm going to record it, and I think I'm going to speed up and not talk with it because it's very it's a bit quiet now, but it's a very noisy place here, or very crowded place here, and well, I don't like people hearing me talk in the camper when I'm alone. It's a bit odd. I don't well, I don't know why, but I hope you enjoy watching. People me hearing talk, that kind of no, that's wrong. I hope you enjoy watching. See you later. Bye bye. No. I hope you I hope you enjoy watching. That's it. Okay. No, come on.